Got a landscaping job going on today. We've been doing it for a couple days, so I'm just gonna take you through it and show you what we've been doing. Here's the panel where we get our power from. Comes down underneath the ground over to this box, and then from this box we ran around the whole yard. One for each tree, and it goes around. All right, so each tree has an old existing light, and then we added a new light. And behind each tree is where our power comes in, and then we looped inside to our new light. All right, so here's our power junction box. We got constant power, which is gonna feed some outlets that we have around the property. And then the red wire is gonna be our switch leg, which is gonna turn on our transformer, which in turn will turn on all the landscape lights. Constant power passing through, switch leg, which goes to our transformer. Here's our new lights. We got two more transformers in the back here. One will do this half of the backyard, and the other will do that half of the backyard. Here's our other transformer. All right, now we're out front. We got to get power to each one of these trees. It's all trenched out. All right, we got a pipe coming in and a pipe going out. And then they'll land in this, and that's where our connection will be. So right now we're just laying out the pipe, pulling the wire. There's one at each tree, and then your wire comes up and hits your light. And then there's your little island light up. All right, got the power turned on. Everything's working. We also had to repipe this little island around this tree. We had to repipe that. Feed's coming from that way. All right, homeowner got this new mailbox. Here's the final product. Got the numbers on the side lit up.